Hey guys, it's Javier with Brush Plus Roller Painting, and if you guys want to learn how to refinish or repaint your kitchen island, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got our island all prepped, maxed off, but I wanted to show you guys the reason we're refinishing or repainting it is because of all the brush marks and roller marks that they left. You know, the client wasn't too happy with it, and you know the island is a centerpiece, so we want to make sure it's nice and a professional finish. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sand it down, and I'm gonna show you the doors and drawers downstairs, how smooth they are. So let's take a walk around so you can take a look at it. We're gonna basically seal off this area here where the paper ends, so we'll be able to spray none of the dust gets in all over the place. But yeah, it's full of brush marks and roller marks, so we're gonna get rid of that completely. Alright guys, so this is the way that the island is gonna look once it's all sanded down. I know you can't feel them, but you can definitely see that all the brush marks and roller marks, they're all gone. So once we spray them, well, once we prime them first, and we're gonna be using a Milesi's 2K primer, and then we'll top coat them as well. Alright guys, so we got it all sanded down, got it nice and smooth. We got all those brush marks out and those roller marks. So we're gonna start priming with the Milesi's 2K primer, and we'll show you what that looks like afterwards. Alright guys, so we're all done with Clint's kitchen island, and we just want to give you a close-up so you can see that all those brush strokes, all those roller strokes, they're completely gone, and you know, now it looks like a professional cabinet. So just wanted to give you a close-up of that. The color remained the same. It's still the tricorn black, but I mean, it makes a heck of a difference. If you guys like the video, leave a comment and subscribe and like the video.